Hello. We have a reservation under Keanu.
Welcome, right this way. Here are your menus.
Thank you. What do you recommend today?
The grilled samu is excellent. It is a popular dish.
Great. I'll take the salmon then.
And for you, would you like a starter?
No, thank you. Just a glass of water, please.
Of course. I will put that order in now.
Excuse me, can we have the bill?
Certainly. I'll bring the check immediately.
Good morning. Can I get a medium latte?
Sure. Is that to stay or to go?
To go, please. And could you add extra syrup?
Of course. What kind of syrup would you like?
Vanilla, please. That's all.
That will be $5.50.
Here you are. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do. Just tap your card here.
Thanks. Where do I pick up the drink?
The drinks are ready at the counter in 1 minute.
Excuse me, where is the baking flour?
It's down aisle 5 near the cooking oil.
Aisle 5. Got it. Thank you.
No problem. Are you looking for anything else?
Yes. Where are the fresh eggs kept?
Those are in the refrigerated section on your left.
Oh, I see them now. That's very helpful.
When you're ready, there are 2 checkout lines open.
Perfect. Can I pay with cash here?
Yes, both cash and card are accepted at this register.
Hello. I have an appointment at 2 p.m.
Yes, please take a seat. What seems to be the problem today?
I feel very weak and I have a constant headache.
I see. How long have you been feeling this way?
For about 3 days now.
All right, the doctor will be with you shortly.
Thank you. Is there a place where I can get some water?
Yes, the water cooler is just around the corner.
If I need medicine, can I get it here?
No, we will give you a prescription for the pharmacy.
Good afternoon. I need to fill this prescription.
Certainly. Do you have your insurance card?
Yes, here it is. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes. We will text you when it's ready.
Thank you. Do I need to take this medicine with food?
Yes, take 1 pill after breakfast every morning.
Okay. Do you sell aspirin over the counter?
We do. They are right behind you on shelf B.
Great. I'll take those too.
Just bring them up when we call your name.
Good evening. I'm checking in. My name is Keanu.
Welcome. I have your reservation for 3 nights.
Yes, that's right. What floor is my room on?
You are on the 10th floor, room 1004. Here is your key card.
Thank you. Could I also have the Wi-Fi password?
The password is HotelGuest55. It's also printed on the card sleeve.
Perfect. Is there breakfast included in the rate?
It is. Breakfast is served in the lobby from 7 to 9 a.m.
That's good to know. What is the standard checkout time?
Checkout is strictly at 11 a.m., sir.
Excuse me, how do I get to the National Museum from here?
The easiest way is to take the subway, the Red Line.
Which station should I get off at?
You want the Central Park stop. It's 4 stops away.
Is it faster to take a bus instead?
No, the traffic is very heavy now. The subway is much faster.
Okay, where is the nearest subway entrance?
Walk straight ahead for 2 blocks, then turn left.
2 blocks, then left. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe journey.
Hello, I would like to buy 2 tickets for the 3 p.m. tour.
That will be $35 per person, so $70 total.
$70. Do you have a student discount?
Yes, if you have a valid student ID card.
I don't, unfortunately. Here is the cash.
Thank you. Here are your 2 tickets.
When should we go to the gate?
Please wait by gate C. Boarding starts at 2:45 p.m.
Great. And how long does the whole tour last?
The tour is about 2.5 hours long.
Excuse me, I am new here. Can you recommend a nice place for dinner?
Absolutely. Are you looking for something casual or fancy?
Something casual, but serving good local food.
Then you must try Lovely's Grill. They have the best local stew.
Oh, that sounds excellent. How far is it from here?
It's just a 10-minute walk down Main Street.
Thank you for the suggestion. Do I need a reservation there?
For a weekday, probably not, but maybe call ahead just in case.
Good idea. Is there anything else I should visit nearby?
Don't miss the small park next to the library.
Hi, I would like to return this shirt, please.
Certainly. Do you have the original receipt?
Yes, here is the receipt and the tags are still attached.
Perfect. What is the reason for the return?
It's the wrong size. I need a medium, but I bought a small.
I see. Would you like a refund or an exchange for the medium?
I'd prefer a full refund, please.
No problem. I'm processing the $45 refund back to your card now.
How long does the refund take to show up?
It usually takes 3 to 5 business days. Here is your return confirmation.